अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। क्लास 11th जियोग्राफी इसके ऑलमोस्ट जो हम पढ़ रहे थे, जो वाली बुक हम पढ़ रहे थे, ऑलमोस्ट उसको हमने कवर करा है। अब जो लास्ट है इसका बचता है अपेंडिक्स। उसमें आपको दिया गया है स्टेट्स, देयर कैपिटल्स एंड देयर पॉपुलेशन एंड द लार्जेस्ट स्टेट, स्मॉलेस्ट स्टेट in terms of area, in terms of population. Inshallah, in these lectures today and tomorrow, we are going to finish that too. With this, we will conclude our book number first, or we can say book number second, which we from where we started it. जो वाली बुक हमने स्टार्ट करी थी, तो वो इसके साथ ही, इस टॉपिक के साथ ही हमें कंप्लीट हो जाती है। ठीक, जो हमारा आज का टॉपिक है today our topic is Indian map. So I'll try to draw a map here of India and locate the states of India with their capital cities. Let's start with it is states. Here is a state like this. This state of Andhra Pradesh, and its capital is Amravati. Draw a circle in between of the west coast like this. This is Goa, and Goa's capital is Panaji. From there, mark like this. Kerala. The highest literacy rate of the India is in Kerala. Kerala's capital Thiruvananthapuram. Join this and this Tamil Nadu. And its capital is Chennai. So a few days back I saw one of the paper of SRB, and there was mentioned whose capital city is on the state whose capital city is on the river bank of on the bank of Bay of Bengal. So this is the Chennai, capital of Tamil Nadu. It is located on the bank of Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal is the sea. And join like this. This is Karnataka. Capital Bangalore. Here is the middle state of India. MP, Madhya Pradesh, and its capital is Bhopal. This draw like line like this. Here it is the Maharashtra, and Maharashtra's capital is Mumbai. Earlier it was called as Bombay. Now this, draw a line like this and join this. This is the Gujarat, and Gujarat's capital is Gandhinagar. Here, this one is another state. It was carved out from Andhra Pradesh recently in 2014. The state of Hyderabad, state of Telangana. Telangana, its capital is Hyderabad. Telangana and its capital is Hyderabad. And draw a line like this. This is Chhattisgarh, and its capital is Raipur. Now here's another state, Orissa. Orissa's capital is Bhubaneswar. Draw a line like this and this. Here is another state, West Bengal, and West Bengal capital is Kolkata. Kolkata was the Indian capital also till 1911. In 1911, it was shifted. India's capital was shifted from Kolkata to New Delhi. This chicken neck. This is Sikkim with capital Gangtok. Gangtok is the capital of Sikkim. This region is called the land of seven sisters because of their interdependence on each other. If we look at this, like this. This is Arunachal Pradesh. And its capital is Itanagar. Another this state is Nagaland, and its capital is Kohima. This one, another state of India, northeastern state, Manipur. Its capital is Imphal. This is Mizoram, and its capital is Aizawl. Try to practice and make this at home. Try to draw these very lines, and I'm sure you will draw and you will make better than me, definitely. This is Tripura, and its capital is Agartala. And here, this is Meghalaya. Meghalaya has a capital, Shillong. In Shillong, there is a place in Meghalaya. This is Ladakh, its capital Leh, Jammu Kashmir, capital Jammu and Srinagar as well. Winter capital is Jammu and Srinagar is the summer capital of Jammu and Kashmir. And here is Himachal Pradesh with Shimla capital. Here is Punjab with its capital Chandigarh. This is Uttarakhand with capital Dehradun. This is Rajasthan with capital Jaipur. Largest state of India is Rajasthan in terms of area. Here is Haryana with capital Chandigarh. Haryana, Punjab and Chandigarh. Haryana is the capital Chandigarh, Punjab's capital is Chandigarh, so Chandigarh is also a UT, Union Territory. So it is also the capital of Chandigarh UT also, Chandigarh state. This is UP, Uttar Pradesh, and capital is Lucknow. On the borders of UP and there Haryana, here is a UT, New Delhi. Delhi, with its capital New Delhi, that is the capital of India also. So here is the another state, we call it Bihar, and Bihar's capital is Patna. And here is Jharkhand. Jharkhand was also carved out from Bihar. Jharkhand's capital is Ranchi. So with this we have completed the capitals of India with its capital cities. states of India with its capital cities. So in next video we'll learn about and we will draw the we'll learn about the UTs of India. Thank you.